Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 45, часть первая, страница 98-99. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 45, part number 1, page number 98-99. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 98. Grammarland. The verb to be, past simple, negative, interrogative. Глагол быть, являться, находиться. Глагол to be в простом прошедшем времени. Отрицательное и вопросительное предложение. I wasn't at school yesterday. They weren't at the cafe. Were you in my garden yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Глагол to be, past simple. Вопросительная форма. I was sad. Was I sad? Were you sad? Was he sad? Was she sad? Was it sad? Were we sad? Were you sad? Were they sad? Отрицание. Полная форма. I was not sad. Краткое. I wasn't sad. You were not sad. You weren't sad. He was not sad. He wasn't sad. She was not sad. She wasn't sad. And so on. Обычно мы используем форму глагола to be в past simple, чтобы рассказать о событиях, которые случились в прошлом. В этом случае мы используем такие указатели времени, как yesterday, then ago. I was really tired yesterday. There was, there were. Мы используем оборот there was, there were для того, чтобы сказать, что нечто произошло или не произошло в прошлом. There was a red car outside the bank. Около банка стояла красная машина. Сейчас ее нет. There were 3 men outside the restaurant. Около ресторана стояли 3 мужчин. Сейчас их там нет. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Mike was in London last Sunday. Ask him questions using was or were. Майк был в Лондоне прошлое воскресенье. Задай ему вопросы, используя was, were. Number 1. Was the hotel expensive? Number 1, the answer. Отель был дорогой? Number 2. Was the weather nice? Погода была хорошей? Number 3. Was the food okay? Еда была хорошей? Number 4. Were the people nice? Люди были милыми? Number 5. Were the shops open? Были магазины открыты? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. There was a robbery in Mr. Frog's house. take roles and act out. В доме мистера Лягушки произошло ограбление. Разберите роли и разыграйте диалог. Policeman. Were you in the kitchen at 8 o'clock, Mrs. Bear? Bear. Yes, I was. Policeman. Were you in the garden at 9 o'clock? Bear. No, I wasn't. Policeman. Where were you at 9 o'clock? Bear. I was in the kitchen. Policeman. Were you in the garden at 9 o'clock, Mr. Totters? Frog. No, I wasn't. I was in the kitchen with Mrs. Bear. Policeman. Were you in the living room at 8 o'clock? Frog. No, I wasn't. I was in the garden. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Who was the robber? Read and say. Кто был грабителем? Прочитай и скажи. The answer, Mrs. Mouse. The robber wasn't in the garden at 8 o'clock. The robber was with Mr. Frog in the living room at 8 o'clock. But at 9 o'clock the robber was in the garden. The robber was Mrs. Mouse. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 99. Exercise number 4. Make questions, then match. Составь вопросы, затем соедини. Number 1. Were Scott and Wendy at school last Monday? The answer is no, they were ill. Number 2. Was the food nice? The answer D. No, it was awful. Number 3. Was the cafe open yesterday? The answer C. Yes, all day. Number 4. Were the children in France last summer? The answer B. Yes, they were on holiday. Number 5. Was Emma at park yesterday afternoon? The answer A. No, she wasn't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Ask and answer. Where was Harry last Saturday? Спроси и ответь. Где был Гарри в прошлое воскресенье? Он был в музее. He was at the museum. Number 2. Where was Emma yesterday? She was at the fun fair. Number 3. Where was Lee last Sunday? He was in the library. Let's play. Were you at the cafe yesterday? No, I wasn't. Ты был в кафе вчера? Нет, не был. Were you at the museum yesterday? Yes, I was. Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. Were you at park yesterday? No, I wasn't. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.